Yo guys, Black Friday sale, $149. When this bad boy came out, it was $400, I think. They're not making it anymore, discontinued. If you got one, awesome. If you want to get spied on, you know, that's your choice. But if you have a mobile phone, you're getting spied on anyway, so I figure can't beat them, join them. Yeah, man, this box is super heavy. They're obviously trying to go for some Apple unboxing experience here because we got little tabs that you pull. Oh, that was satisfying. Got one on the back here. You want to do that one?
Yes, please.
Feel nice? All right, here's the side. Some specs on the other side. I've got a couple Insignia Google Homes, and
That thing is way bigger than
I've got a couple Google Home Minis, so this will replace one of my Google Home Minis. Wow, the weight is actually really impressive. I've watched, of course, a lot of videos of those, and that they were heavy, but man, that's actually caught me off guard, a little heavier than I thought. So pretty empty, not much going on here. We got some setup instructions. I know there's supposed to be a mat somewhere. Oh, there it is, magnetic mat. So yeah, it just sticks in a specific spot. And I wanted the lighter color one, even though I prefer the look of the black, but I wanted the lighter color one just because where I'm gonna put it, it would have blended in a little better against the walls with, yeah, that's actually feels pretty sturdy. Anyway, I'll be setting this up, and thanks for watching.